My name is Mons Jubur. I have been working with Advanced Hair Studio since 2015. I'm going to share with you my experience with Advanced Hair Studio from the time I started till now. Basically, I came to Advanced Hair Studio as a hair expert, and then Advanced Hair Studio has given me the potential to grow in my career to become right now the national head of Middle East and subcontinent, where I cannot be more than happy and grateful for where I am right now, working with an international company that support me with my own creativity and give me all the tools, all the space and all the freedom to achieve what I want to do, all what you have to do with Advanced Hair Studio is work as your own place, and then in return you will get all the success and all the good benefits in your life back where you like. In here we work as a family, as a team, and I cannot find better environment so far to work with. As an example, I see many people, my friends, my family members, when I tell them how our work environment is, they get like amazed how we are at Advanced Hair Studio as a family. We are not like working in a company. We follow like global rules, but the way that we work with each other is a family, and we support each other. We are happy to each other's success and growth. And at the end, I cannot find a better work environment like Advanced Hair Studio. For me, working with a global brand like Advanced Hair Studio, the sky is the limit. There is nothing to stop your growth as far as you want to. You have just to show that you are potential, and then Advanced Hair Studio in return will support your growth and will get you where you want. Unlike local brands or someone who is small, because I've tried before working in a local brands, then you have to reach your limit where you cannot grow anymore. But with Advanced Hair Studio, you always can grow. You show that you are capable, and Advanced Hair Studio in return will give you whatever you are looking for. Working with like celebrities, VIPs, and this level of clients of Advanced Hair Studio will give you the privilege to be at the top of your game, because Advanced Hair Studio provide a service which is unlike others, and clients comes to us because of our unique concepts, because our level of service, and because of what we can provide to them no one else can do. And we are at Advanced Hair Studio team of experts. We make sure always to give that experience to all of these clients who they came across to us looking for a treatment or looking for a solution of their hair loss. Like example with Ganguly or Ratin Sabru or all our brand ambassadors, it is a privilege for us to work with people like them and being able to transform their appearance, give them advice on their look, change their appearance according to the newest trends, and to keep them up to date with us all the time and give them the best look that it suits our current time. So that is amazing. The best thing working with Advanced Hair Studio that you really feel as a business partner. Why? Because you have that incentive. I don't think anyone else anywhere in the world is giving that will really make you feel that you are a business partner, not only someone who work with Advanced Hair Studio. When you reach your targets, you will be really, let's say, sorted with uh, this rewards of your hard work